Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I just got the call from the BMW dealership that my new BMW M car has finally arrived. So just as this title says, it is 100% accurate, and I'm excited to finally pick it up so I can showcase it here on this channel. Well guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in the car and head on over to the dealership now, and let's get this video started. Few signatures, now I'm ready to roll out and show you just exactly what it is. All right guys, the moment of truth. The new BMW that's here on the channel is a 2023 BMW M5 Competition. Let me go ahead and take you around, show you all the features that I got on it, and of course, how great this car still sounds. 13 miles when I first picked it up, but I have 800 miles on it now. So yes, I have been actively driving this thing like crazy to get to the 1,200 mile break-in so we can really have some fun. I'm going to take you around on the outside, and you have to see this color. Marina Bay Blue Metallic. So 2023 BMW M5 Competition. So with the competition package, it's louder. It's faster, overall better handling. You can't go wrong with a competition car of any BMW, really. You just get the perks of just that much more of a refined machine. It also has the executive package on there and the driving assistance pro package. And of course, you have your radar in the front, pedestrian tracking, all that good stuff. It has the black 706M wheels. Now, unfortunately, with a lot of the shortages going on in the car world, the 789 competition wheels were not available. So I had to get the heavier 706M wheels, but I'm gonna go with some different, much lighter wheels anyways, come the summertime. So I am in Ohio. It is about probably 40 degrees here now, but since I love driving the car all year round, I went ahead and already put on the Pirelli P0 winter tires. We are all set for winter time. I'm excited that I went with this color. So it actually only took 2 months to build, from build to delivery at MSRP. No markup, of course, short wait times. So coming inside, it's the merino black leather. Obviously, all the creature comforts that you would get on an M5 on this one. You just can't go wrong. It's very comfortable, of course, inside and out on an M5. This is the last F90 that's going to be available. So, which is one of the main reasons why I wanted to go with this. Some people do this. I did not want to do this, but you can opt for the sunroof on this car. But why would you do that? Because if you opt for the sunroof, you lose the carbon fiber roof. And on the blue, it looks amazing. Now, one thing that people don't realize, or just maybe don't know, is that if you go with the CF roof instead of the sunroof, you actually get more headroom space. So just one thing to consider if you guys are on the fence about it. So this car just sounds Sport Plus, man, it's just whomp, pop, pop. You can't go wrong with a BMW V8 car. Just plain simple. All BMW V8s sound pretty well, especially if they're an M car. This car is just through and through, still very raw, even though, you know, being a much heavier sedan and stuff like that, the power is endless. I mean, I'm still in the braking period, but it's just, so smooth. I'm looking forward to getting to that 1200 mile break-in, so that way I can really show you what this car is all about. I got a draggy set up, so that way, you know, I can do the 0 to 60, you know, quarter mile times, all that, the whole GPS, you know, verified thing. But I do actually have some parts on order. Going to be subtle changes, nothing out of this world for right now, but it's going to be louder and faster. So you can switch between the different layouts. So this is the sport tack layout. You can go back to the road layout, or you can long press the button and turn off everything else and go into track mode. So I did trade in my M340i into the dealership. I still have my 335i, so my 2008 335i. I liked everything about the M340i. I just wanted, you know, a true M car again, more room, V8 again. So I had a 2016 BMW M5 before I got the M340i. So I've just been going through different cars, testing them out, see how, if I like them, if I don't, and doing a bunch of, you know, videos on that. Well guys, that does it for the video today. You know, just welcoming you to my 2023 BMW M5 competition. Of course, like I said, we'll join alongside my 2008 335i here on the channel. So I've had this car for a little almost 9 years now. Great maintenance history and everything else that comes with it. So I'm going to have some pretty cool stuff for the 335i. So, you know, definitely want to stay tuned for that as well. I'm doing some mods, of course, to the M5 competition. So stay tuned, of course, for that. So really both cars and some pretty cool BMW collaborations that come this way. Guys, big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Tons of great BMW content out there to help you along the way, save you as much money as possible. Of course, doing a lot of stuff yourself, giving you that information as well. So buckle up, a lot of great stuff here to come. And guys, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.